Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to share the best coffee face masks for glowing, toned and clean skin in just 3 days. Coffee is good for reducing inflammation, redness and for getting rid of dark circles. It helps in exfoliating dead skin and revives dead skin. Coffee not only refreshes your mind but also acts as a great face cleanser. It is like a natural Botox for skin. Try these homemade face masks to make your skin glow like never before. Before we go ahead with these incredible remedy, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. Mask for clean and soft skin. For this you need a tablespoon of instant coffee or grain, half tablespoon milk. Method to use: mix the ingredients to make a paste. If a grain is being used, then let the mix set for 5 minutes. Apply on clean skin and massage. Let it stay for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water and massage to remove dead cells. Use twice a week. Honey and coffee face mask. For this you need instant coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of pure honey. Method to use: mix coffee and honey to make a thick paste. Apply on face and neck and let it stay for a while. When the mask totally tightens your skin, rinse it off and pat dry your skin. Use twice a week. The result will be amazing. You will get a clear and shining skin like a diamond. Try these powerful face masks and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.